Hey, codeIMperfect. Harshit here, and today I'm gonna show you how to improve the speed and security of your website for free with Cloudflare. Also, the downside of Infinity Free is that you can't add certain DNS records. You can add them too with Cloudflare. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First off, go to cloudflare.com and sign up. After signing up, you will see this. Copy and paste your site's URL. Free, continue, continue with default. Now we need to change the name servers, management tools, and name servers. Change name servers. So the changes are saved. Done. Check name servers. Full is okay for now. Now auto minify removes the spaces and tabs and stuff to reduce file size. This can significantly reduce your load time. Now it takes some time for the changes in name servers to update, and Cloudflare will proceed only then. So leave it for some time. After some time, refresh the page. So as you can see, Cloudflare is set up. You can go to DNS records to change your DNS records and add some records that are not supported by Infinity Free. But for now, I am going to speed, and after some time you can see that now our website will load in 0.6 seconds, and that's a lot faster than what we had before Cloudflare. Now there's a problem that many developers face on Cloudflare. That is that the changes do not appear immediately. In fact, they can take up to 2 days for some changes to take place. Let me show that to you. In Infinity Free's file manager, if I click on my CSS and go to edit, this will open up. Now if I change the background to black and save it, and now if I refresh the site, you can see that nothing happened. The background still remains white. Now this happens because Cloudflare catches your site static content like CSS and JavaScript. So to fix this issue, go to Cloudflare and then catch it. Now go to purge everything and purge everything. Now the cache is purged. So now if I refresh the site again, the background is black. It can be pretty frustrating to purge cache every time when you need to preview your changes. Let's say every 10 seconds or even a minute. So in that case, scroll down a bit and turn on developer mode. Now Cloudflare would not catch any content. So if I change the background again and save it, now when I refresh it, the background changes instantly. Remember to turn off the developer mode as it significantly slows your site. And as always, thanks for watching.